Everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki. If you're new to the channel, you are highly and welcome. Alright, so today we are going to look at a problem on what the inverse of a matrix. It says find the inverse of the matrix what? We have the elements 3, 3, 5, and 6. Alright, so let's quickly represent this as looking like this. Let's say we have A, okay, we have say B, C, and D, okay. So if this looks like this, okay, now we are going to find what the inverse. Let's call this matrix what M. Alright. Now to find the inverse, our solution, okay, inverse of a matrix, this is M inverse, okay. This M raised to power 1 means what? Inverse. So when you want to write inverse, you write it in this form. So it's equals to, normally we'll say what? 1 over what? The determinant of matrix M multiplied by what? The adjoint, okay, of matrix what? M over 1. So the question is, what is the determinant of matrix M and what's the adjoint of matrix M? So with this, we can develop the formula. So let me quickly develop the formula. All we need to do is we're going to have 1 times this, which is still adjoint what? M divided by this time this is also determinant what? M. Okay, but now what is adjoint N? Okay, adjoint N is going to be, let's use this to show what that means. All you need to do is you have to interchange this, okay, so that D is going to take the place of what? A, so I have D here. A is going to take the place of what? D, so we have A here. That's the first step in developing the formula. Now for C and B, you are going to put minus, attach minus to them, okay? Now once you do that, okay, you have been able to what? Get what? The adjoint of the matrix, all right? Now the next thing you want to do is you want to find the determinant, which is D will multiply this, so we have it like this. So D is going to multiply, D is going to multiply A, so A multiplied by D minus what? Then you have C will multiply B, so B multiplied by C. So you cross multiply them and you subtract them. Now I've gotten that we can now find an inverse. We can apply all that we did here to this. Okay, so let's do that. So our N inverse is going to be, so this method is method by what? Formula. So let's use the formula to apply. I will interchange this leading diagonal, okay? This diagonal is called the leading what? Diagonal. So 6 is going to take the place of what? 3. So we have 6 there. And 3 is going to take the place of what? The position of what? 6. So we have 3 there. Then we are going to add minus to these 2, just like we added minus to these 2 here. So I have this as minus 5, okay? And this is going to be what? Minus what? 3. Now I've gotten that, the next thing is we are going to what? Divide all these by what? We are going to divide it by determinant n. And determinant n means we are going to cross multiply 6 multiply 3. So we have 6 multiplied by 3. Okay, so minus what? 5 will multiply what? 3. So 5 is going to multiply 3. This will give us, okay, so we have 6 minus 5 minus 3. We have 3. So all these divide by what? Now 6 times 3 is going to give us what? We have is 18 minus 5 times 3 is going to give us what? 15. Okay, so this gives us what? We have 6, we have minus 5, we have minus 3, we have 3. All this is going to divide by 18 minus what? 15 is going to give us what? 3. All right. So I haven't gotten that. Our final answer to this problem is going to be and we're going to divide, okay? So 6 is going to divide 3, so we have 6 divided by 3. Minus 5 will divide 3, so we have minus 5 divided by 3. Minus 3 will divide 3, so we have minus 3 will divide by 3. And 3 is going to divide 3, okay? So what would that give us as the answer to this simple problem? Okay, so let's divide them to see what that gives us. So we have, okay, this can cancel out this. We have is 2 minus 5 over 3. We can leave it like that. So 3 will cancel out 3 is minus 1. 3 will cancel out 3 is 1. Okay, so this gives us the answer or the solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to some students that it may be of help. I will see you guys in my next one.